Hey everyone! Today, let's dive into a topic that's reshaping not just the tech world, but creative fields across the board. It's called generative AI. And if you're curious about what this innovation is all about, you're in the right place. So, what is generative AI? In simple terms, these are AI models that don't just analyze data, they create something new out of it. Whether it's writing a piece of music, drafting up an entire article, or even generating a realistic image, generative AI is all about creation. Now, you might be wondering how it actually works. Well, there are a few types of generative models, each fascinating in its own right. Let's start with GANs, or generative adversarial networks. Picture this: two neural networks, one called the generator and the other the discriminator, duking it out in a digital game of cat and mouse. The generator makes new data while the discriminator judges it. The end goal? To make the generator so good that the discriminator can't tell its creations from real data. Next up, we have variational autoencoders, or VAEs. These work a bit differently. They compress data into a smaller form and then try to reconstruct it. It's kind of like squeezing a stuffed animal into a tiny box and then letting it out, hoping it looks the same as before. And we can't forget about transformer models. These are the brains behind AI systems like GPT-4, which predict what word comes next in a sentence to generate readable text. It's like having a super smart typewriter that knows what you want to say before you even say it. But why should you care? Because the applications are mind-blowing, from chatbots that can chat like humans to software that can dream up brand new music tracks. Artists can use AI to push boundaries of creativity, and even game developers can use AI to create endless worlds and characters. If you're eager to get your hands dirty with generative AI, you're in luck. Tools and platforms like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and even beginner-friendly Runway ML make it more accessible than ever. And the best part? You don't need a PhD to get started. Online resources, communities, and platforms are just waiting for your curiosity. So, whether you're a budding programmer, an aspiring artist, or just a tech enthusiast, generative AI has something for you. Start small, learn the ropes, and who knows, maybe you'll be the one teaching a machine to create the next big thing. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, the future is not just about what technology can do for us, but what we can create with it. Dive into generative AI and let's craft the future together.